Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Our democracy, honor the Citizens for Transformation, People Power Movement, London Uremwano, and Comrade Amos, who has also traveled the farthest to hear our district commander for Rompi. Members of the press, each one of you should understand that we appreciate your presence here and we don't take it for granted, because at a critical juncture like this one for our nation, we rely upon you to continuously remain steadfast informing our people on what is transpiring. Here is a statement that we have prepared, and there are many people behind this statement who should have been here, but the people that are around here, they're representatives of a number of people that are sharing the same concerns. Press briefing delivered by Comrade Mtambo, the Vice President of Alliance for Democracy and the Commander-in-Chief of Citizens for Transformation, People Power Movement. A call for integrity in electoral alliance decisions. Why we, the people behind this statement, feel like we cannot work with the DPP, Democratic Progressive Party. Fellow Malawians, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon or good evening. Today, I stand before you not just a Vice President of Alliance for Democracy, Aford, but as a patriotic Malawian whose love for the country remains steadfast and unwavering. When I made a decision to join Aford, I did so with full conviction and a sense of responsibility to support the party president, Honorable Enoch Kamzingenchehana, in the mission of rebuilding a party that was once at the front line of ushering democracy into this country between 1992 and 1994. I had faith in Honorable Enoch Kamzingenchehana's leadership, vision, and his relentless effort to reposition Aford as a political force grounded in principles, integrity, and aspirations of the people of the Republic of Malawi. Today, I want to publicly acknowledge and congratulate Honorable Enoch Kamzingenchehana. His tireless work and dedication have yielded fruits for Alliance for Democracy. Aford has risen from the shadows of political decline and is once again a party of Aford is being spoken, again with respect, with hope, and with purpose. Mr. Chehana deserves immense credit for the revival of the Alliance for Democracy. However, even in the midst of such progress, I must speak frankly and honestly. While I continue to respect and acknowledge the transformative leadership of our party president, I must express with great disappointment my firm opposition to the recent announced electoral alliance between Aford and the Democratic Progressive Party for the 16th September 2025 elections. Let me outline with clarity why I and many of my colleagues within the party, and of course many other supporters of the party, and well-meaning Malawians cannot support a DPP Aford alliance. Firstly, the DPP has a very troubling legacy. Between 2014 and 2019, under the same leadership of Professor Peter Mutharika, Malawians suffered immensely. The country endured economic mismanagement, grant corruption, institutionalized nepotism and cronyism, suppression of civic freedoms, and weakened governance institutions. That is why in 2019 and ultimately in 2020, Malawians voted in large crowds and rejected the DPP through street demonstrations and also the power of their vote. However, even after being rejected in 2020, the DPP has shown no remorse. They have not apologized to Malawians. They have not changed. They have not repented. Instead, they continue to operate with the same arrogance and impunity. We believe that a party which refuses to acknowledge its failures has no moral grounds to lead this nation again. Secondly, there are serious historical concerns regarding the trustworthiness of the DPP, especially in its dealings with Aford. We have not forgotten how, in the run-up to the 2004 elections, the late Chakufa Chihana, may he so rest in peace, founder and then president of Aford, entered into an alliance with UDF following a request by former President Bakiri Muluzi to support Bingu wa Mutharika, may he so rest in peace as well. The agreement included a commitment to appoint Chihana as second vice president once UDF formed government. But Bingu betrayed the promise. He turned his back on the alliance. He formed the DPP and sidelined Aford. Peter Mutharika was part of this betrayal. And today, it is the same Peter Mutharika making similar promises to Aford. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on us. We will not walk into that trap again. Thirdly, the selection of Dr. Jane Ansah as the DPP's running mate is deeply concerning. Dr. Jane Ansah presided over one of the most discredited and chaotic elections in the Malawi history in 2019. The 2019 election was marred by irregularities, the infamous TPEX scandal, and widespread disregard of electoral laws. Under her leadership, the Malawi Electoral Commission failed the people. She became the face of electoral injustice. Despite nationwide protests and calls for her resignation, she clung to her position, showing no accountability. It is therefore unthinkable that we as Aford should campaign for or alongside someone whose role in undermining democracy nearly pushed this country to the brink of collapse. Our values and our conscience does not allow us to do so. Therefore, after deep reflection and in consultation with fellow comrades and leaders within our party and outside the party, I hereby announce that I and those aligned with this view will not be available to campaign or support the DPP in the upcoming elections. We remain true to the founding principles and vision of Aford, a party of democracy, justice, and national service. We respect our President, Honorable Enoch Kamzingen Chihana, and we will remain committed to dialogue within the party. But on this matter of principle, we respectively disagree. We are all human beings. We all make mistakes. I have also made mistakes as a human being, just like everyone here. And it is not wrong to disagree. Alliance for Democracy is the beacon of democracy. And at Alliance for Democracy, we believe to agree and disagree. I am mindful of the fact that some people choose to misunderstand me deliberately for whatever reasons, even to the extent of associating me with other organizations at their wish, because it has become fashionable to peddle propaganda in the name of Comrade Timothy Pagonachi Simbega Mtambo. For that reason, I intend to have a deliberate measure of moving around the country, engaging the youth, women, movements, faith leaders, traditional leaders, CSOs, and indeed all Malawians of goodwill, with an intention of moving collectively to liberate our country. As we approach September elections, I call upon all Malawians to campaign and vote peacefully. Let us continue to safeguard the hard-earned democracy that so many fought for, Aford included. May God bless Aford. May God bless Malawi. I thank you all for listening. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, the Commander-in-Chief.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.